Hello guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to discuss about why Indian rupees becomes becoming stronger against USD dollar. So currently 1 USD dollar is equal to 73.11 rupees as on 29 August 2020. So currently Indian rupees getting stronger from the last 1 or 2 weeks, and you can say about June June 2020 Indian rupees becoming stronger. So we are going to discuss how and why Indian rupees going stronger, getting stronger. So first of all, we are going to see and compare the USD INR charts, and that's how mm, we are we are see why and how much Indian rupees getting stronger. So second of all, we are discuss about the reasons behind the stronger rupees. The two main reasons is foreign institutional investors, and the second reason is the forex reserve of India, or you can see the forex reserves of Indian RBI. So uh, we are going to see the Indian USD INR chart. So currently, as on 29 August, 1 USD dollar is 73.11 Indian rupees. So you can see in 2020 the pandemic hit in mid March or April. You can see 21 April 2020, 1 USD dollar is equal to 76.97, about 77 rupees, because in the stock market, the foreign outflow is not getting in the Indian stock market, or they withdrawing the money from Indian stock market, and the uh, most hit on April month, and you can see after that June and August the rupees is getting stronger. Here you can see about in August hit the 73 rupees mark, and you can see the 1 month chart of USD INR chart. So you can see from in this August month the rupees is getting stronger. From the beginning it's around 76 rupees and currently is 73 rupees. So the main reason behind the stronger rupee, because the foreign institutional investor, the foreign institutional investor buying heavily in equity stock market of Indian companies from June. um, because Indian stock market, the investor are invested heavily in Indian equity market, so the dollar is coming to India, or you can say that in the central banks of India. So the supply of dollar is here. So that the rupees is becoming stronger against USD dollar. Okay, so you can see here is a chart of foreign inflow. So dollar inflow in the previous months. So you can see the pandemic hit in March or April. You can see the equity market, equity the March and April, the foreign FIIs withdrawal 8348 million US dollar, or around say on debt and equity merged, they withdraw around 16,000 million US dollar. In April they withdrawal net 1900 USD dollar. So after that in the June months, after June, they are adding, or they are investing in India. So they added 41 million USD dollar they invested. Or in July there something is low, so for around 451 million dollar invested in July. And here you can say the current August month they are invested 6772, approx 6700 USD million dollar. So that's why the rupees is getting stronger in August, and that's why the forex reserve of India is getting almost high record. So currently India's forex reserve is around 537.548 billion US dollar. It is the almost highest and record record forex reserve by India. So that's how the Indian rupees is getting stronger. So thank you for watching. Hope you like and enjoy the video. So please subscribe and like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. If you enjoy the PDF, join our Telegram channel. The link is hereby. So thank you.